Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This is Lesson 7 of WooCommerce, Advanced WooCommerce Techniques. We will explore some advanced WooCommerce features that help you customize your store even further. Let's take a look at the process. So we have 4 types of products here: simple products, group products, external or affiliated products, and variable products. Simple products consist of a single item. Group products consist of multiple items. You can link the group products by adding the group product name here. External or affiliated products sell items on external websites. You can go to the General tab and add the product URL here. And you can also add the text to the button here. You can set the regular price, sale price, and set the tax status. And you can set the class. The variable product consists of multiple variations. First, we need to add the attribute before adding variations. Click on Add New. Write the name of the variation here. Write the value of the variation here. Make sure you have enabled these options so that the variations will display on your checkout page. Click on Save Attributes. Now move on to the Variations section. Click on Generate Variations and click on OK. By doing this, the variations will be generated like this. You can add the price by clicking on the Add Price button. You can set the price for the product by writing the price and click on Add Price. By doing that, the price will be updated. And you can also add variations manually by clicking on the Add Manually button. Here, you can also customize the variation by clicking on the drop-down. If you want to change your store's look, you can easily install custom themes available on the WooCommerce store. WooCommerce compatible themes are designed to enhance your store's layout and functionality. You can select a theme by category and industry. Now you can also customize your WooCommerce theme by going to the Appearance option. Just go to the WooCommerce. You can see the available options here: Store Notice, Product Catalog, Product Images, and Checkout. Store Notice adds the custom message at the top of your store. You can enable it when you need it. In the Product Catalog, you can control how the product can be displayed. And in the page you want to display the product. You can also perform sorting of your product. The Product Images section helps you set up the image sizes of your product thumbnail. To customize your checkout options, just click on this section. You can set up the company name, address line, and you can also set up the privacy policy page and terms and conditions. And WooCommerce also offers several user roles, such as customer, shop manager, and administrator. For example, you can give a customer access to orders and products by restricting them from making site-wide changes. You can create a user account and assign the role that controls access to different parts of your store. And customizing WooCommerce lets you build a unique store that meets your needs, whether you're adding customer products, themes, or managing roles. These advanced features can take your store to the next level. So that's all to our Lesson 7 of WooCommerce. Don't forget to subscribe to get more series like this one.